So welcome to this tutorial series, and this is the introduction to Java for beginners. So for today, I would like to give you a simple introduction to the Java programming language, and I would like to take you through the main method. The main method in Java is where everything starts, or where the program execution starts, and it's a mandatory method whenever you want to run your program because that's where the entry that's like the entry point to the program. So to write the main method, you write public static void main, and it normally takes some parameters. So inside these round brackets, you write some parameters. It's normally like an array of arguments. That's how you write it. So this is the main method in the Java programming language, and whenever you want to output something, you must pass it through this particular function, because as we have said, that's the entry point to the program. So for instance, if we wanted to output something, let's say we wanted to say a greeting to someone, we would use the println function, and it is normally accessed via the system.out.println function. That's how you write it, and within the round bracket, that's where you write the message that you would like to output. So for instance, in this case, I would like to say hello students. You could write the name of the person you would want to output, or something, or just a message that you would like to output. For the purpose of this class, I'm just going to output hello students. So let's run our program and see what output we have here. So our program is running, so it's going to check the main method and find out what instructions we have given it and what we would like it to output. And as you can see, it has entered the main method, and it has printed out for us hello students. So just a recap of this introductory tutorial. What we have here is that we have we first of all have a class, the Java tutorial, that's also mandatory, and also we have written the main method, and the main method, that is its exact name. It doesn't have another different name. It has to be the main method, MAIN, and it normally takes some parameters, which are normally an array of a string array of arguments, and then whatever instructions you pass to the main method, that is what the program is going to see. And also another important point to note is that as we have said, the main method is a main entry point of the Java program. Thank you very much. Keep following the series. We are going to go progressively as we advance into the Java tutorial. Thank you very much. Enjoy.